Roger, come in. Captain Udon here from the Nomads Galaxy Corps. I'm looking to give all you recruits out there a very special tutorial today so that you can become the #1 pilots we need to see this galaxy progress and get to the next stage of evolution it deserves. So all my nomads that are eager to get started, let's jump in and see where we go. Right, so before I start, if you click help, we've got the commands on the keyboard. You know, increase thrust, decrease thrust, full acceleration, full reverse. The gyro, clockwise, anti-clockwise, increase thrust override, increase, kill thrust, Q, lovely. Shift for navigation, highly important, and self-destruct may come in need. So, backspace. That's the basis of the controls. Now, a lot of people will get all excited and go, oh, you know, we can look at the other options up here with control panel. This is what I need to, I'm going to lower these because my ship's a little bit more upgraded than your current build. Now I've lowered them. We could look at a contract, but that's going too far ahead. If you're just new to the game, Captain Udon suggests that you spend a little time just getting used to landing, because you can spend a long time travelling and then mess it all up with the landing, and you're going to feel a bit stuff all the time you put into actually travelling in this, you know, real space environment. So instead of going for a big journey, let's use these 4 pads as a training ground to try and get better at landing. Now I've toned my craft down, so if we just start to get the thrust on, up to 3. Oh, to 4. There we go, we've got a bit more inertia there. And we're going to just rotate, and then thrusters on. And we're up to 3. We're going quite quick here because, you know, we're in control, but we're going to thrust up to lower it down, get that inertia down. You can see at the top the inertia, the 2%, yeah. After that 2%, 2 to 3 is kind of your travelling speed. And I just flung ourselves over to the other side, keeping that little 2%. We actually want to get that way, so I'm going to point that way to get the thrust. We'll go all the way up to 4, get the inertia change. Oh, it's gone to 1, 2, and we cut the engines with the Q. It's going a bit quick and our rotation's mighty slow, so this is where you could have a little problem, but 2 is usually good. So let's put the blaster on. Oh, just caught that edge. Now that's what's going to happen most of the time. But because that happened with me just trying to get to the other platform, I'm loading back up next to it. So it's not a problem to just practice and try, you know, get this dialed in. Then we can do an actual mission.